Have you ever sent a message on Instagram using Vanish mode and then wondered how to undo it? Vanish mode is a feature designed for privacy. Messages disappear after they've been viewed, and you leave the chat. But if you want to go back to the regular chat experience, the good news is, it's simple. First, open the conversation where Vanish mode is active. You'll notice a darker background and a little dotted circle indicating that Vanish mode is on. To undo Vanish mode, all you need to do is swipe up from the bottom of your chat screen and release your finger. Instantly, you'll see the screen return to normal. Your chat is now out of Vanish mode. You can also tap the button at the top of the screen that says Turn off Vanish mode. Just like that, your conversation is back to its usual style, and any new messages will stick around unless you manually delete them. Keep in mind, Vanish mode only works for one-on-one conversations, and both you and your friend need to have the latest version of Instagram. The messages sent while Vanish mode was on won't come back. Only future messages will remain if you keep Vanish mode off. If privacy and control over your conversations matter to you, features like Vanish mode are a great tool. And if you're looking to boost your engagement and visibility on Instagram, Famety is here to help. From followers and likes to comments and shares, Famety provides you with everything you need to elevate your social presence across all platforms. And remember, our expert support team is always just a click away. Take charge of your Instagram experience with Famety, your partner in social media growth.